Welcome in Sam Logistics, and our episode about FMCG. What does the term FMCGs mean? What are the challenges of its supply chains? This term is widely used, especially within the food or retail industry. They are items that sell very quickly at low prices, fast-moving consumer goods. It can be divided into several categories, namely, 1. Processed foods, 2. Drinks, 3. The baked goods, 4. Fresh and frozen foods, 5. Medicines that do not need a prescription, such as headache relievers and others, 6. Home cleaning products, 7. Cosmetics and personal hygiene items, 8. Office supplies, pens, paper, etc. And because the FMCG is a giant market, its production movement is fast and the demand is huge. This causes the stock and materials to move quickly within its supply chains at a rate more than others in different industries. Therefore, we see that one of the most distinguished companies in the field of supply chain management and logistics is the one that we will mention now. They are the largest companies in the FMCG market, and the competition between them is very fierce, and they are as follows, in no order: Tyson Foods, Unilever, Coca-Cola, Nestle, Procter & Gamble, Danone, PepsiCo. Some of the biggest supply chain challenges within this market are availability of the product in the various distribution channels. You must ensure that your products are on the shelves throughout the year within the countless distribution channels, and this necessitates that companies work in integration and together with the various participants that include multiple chains of warehouses and many retailers in addition to a number of countless customers. The problem is exacerbated here when you want to reduce logistics costs with always available products. Large packages reduce logistics costs but also reduce product availability, while small packages raise your logistics costs and increase the availability of your products. So, the aforementioned giant companies seek to achieve a balance between the availability of their products and reducing their logistical costs. Therefore, these companies invest in innovation and promising technologies and adopt new and innovative methods in an attempt to achieve that balance. Threats of counterfeit goods. Because of the large number of suppliers, wholesalers and retailers in the trillion market, and because of the temptation in it, and because of the ease of imitation of its products, it has become not difficult to introduce some counterfeit products from time to time, and this affects the reputation of the original companies and takes away their market share. Lack of appropriate infrastructure. This problem is exacerbated, especially in developing countries, and its impact increases according to demand. An effective supply chain cannot do without sound infrastructure. Lack of infrastructure such as poor roads and their congestion or poor diversity of transport modes and weak technological support such as networks and communications lead to doubling overall logistics costs and seriously affect the performance of delivery operations and operational efficiency. Coordination and tracking. The availability of real-time data helps improve visibility and helps supply chain partners as well as FMCG partners make quick decisions and find unique solutions to problems. This visibility helps them monitor shipments, receipts and problems at every point and enables them to change their tactical plans and use resources more effectively. Effective to meet fluctuating demands. Achieving this sounds easy, in theory, but implementing it in a giant market with millions of customers and thousands of participants within a very long supply chain is a huge challenge. In conclusion, there will be many changes in the near future, due to the development of technologies such as the Internet of Things (IoT) and AI, in addition to changes in customer behavior, which has become collectively due to social media. And now we have finished today's episode on FMCG. Follow us on Sam Logistics channel.